So what is the main purpose of today's session? The main thing is that I am going to give you certain mathematical expressions, right, some operations, and all you have to do is just tell whether it is mathematically true or false, correct or incorrect. Now the thing is, most of them are very easy, but I believe that these are so important that even if one of them is wrong, it will be a cause of serious mishappenings while you are giving the exams. Followed or not? So at least the basic controls should be clear, right? अब पायलट बैठा प्लेन में, समझिए, पायलट एंड को पायलट प्लेन में बैठे, राइट, एंड थोड़ी देर के बाद आपको मान लीजिए उनकी बातचीत सुनाई दे रही है पैसेंजर्स को, राइट, एंड वन ऑफ देम इज टेलिंग, यार ब्लू के नीचे रेड वाला बटन ये क्यों है? अदर वन इज सेइंग भगवान जाने। आप सुन रहे हो ये? आर यू ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? अब आप ये सुन रहे हो तो हाउ वुड यू फील, हाउ कॉन्फिडेंट वुड यू बी फीलिंग? तो इसके पहले कि आपको असली प्लेन जिसमें कि यू नो जिंदा पैसेंजर्स बैठे हैं, इसके पहले कि वी गिव यू दैट, वी सेट देम थ्रू अ सिमुलेशन प्रोग्राम। तो मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है, जल्दी जल्दी से छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस होंगे, आपको सिर्फ ये पता होना चाहिए नीला बटन, ग्रीन बटन, ब्लू बटन, कौन सा बटन किस लिए है, मैथ्स में सही है गलत है, वट एवर आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू, इज इट करेक्ट, इज इट रॉन्ग, properties are distributive, not distributive, commutative, which operations are commutative, which are not. So I'm just starting with some simple things, just give you one minute, you can just tell whether true or false. लिखिएगा, question लिखो, type करिए and write true or false. हैं क्या? These are not questions, these are oxygen, these are mathematical oxygen supply. ऑक्सीजन की पाइप कटी होगी तो फिर कैसे काम चलेगा? वेरी बेसिक, एकदम क्रिस्टल क्लियर होना चाहिए पानी की तरह। हाँ भैया सही है गलत है, सही है गलत है, सही है गलत है, एकदम क्लियर। फॉलोइंग और नॉट, इसमें डाउट है, पता नहीं लग तो रहा है सही है। तो दिस मीन्स दैट इट विल बी वेरी डेंजरस फॉर यू इन फ्यूचर। दिस इज समथिंग विच इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर चिल्ड्रन ऑफ क्लास 7, क्लास 8, क्लास 9, बीटेक, एमटेक, पीएचडी, क्लियर होना चाहिए एकदम, एक भी गलत नहीं। Yes. Bangalore is the capital of India. True or false? पता है ना, डाउट तो नहीं है, बिल्कुल वैसे ही होना चाहिए। Let's have a look at the first one. What do you say? True or false? True. Okay, very good. First one is true. Here, addition and subtraction, the order does not matter. I have taken x, then y, and in the end we subtracted z. Here we added x in the end and we subtracted z in the middle. It's perfectly all right as long as z is negative, x and y are positive. So this is true, very good, 1 mark. Second one is C, I'll tell you. First one is A into B upon C. Second one is A by C into B, right? And third one is B by C into A. I'm saying whether they are equal or not. Chaliye. Now, A into B upon C, is it the same as A by C into B, and is it the same as B by C into A? Very good. This is also true because it doesn't matter whether you multiply a given fraction with the number or you multiply the A and B and keep them in the numerator. It's all right. The result would always be the same. Understood or not? Okay. Next is minus A by B, A upon minus B, and minus of A by B. True or false? All right. Think about it. True, false. True, false. Come on, giving you time. 2 नंबर कट जाएंगे, जो कमाया वो गवा दोगे, सोच लेना। Okay. So I'll give it a tick also. This is also true. आपके ओपिनियन से नहीं दे रहा हूं, ऐसे ही बता रहा हूं। Why? How? इसलिए किसी माइनस A is minus, B is plus. The result of minus and plus is minus. That means this, whatever this number is, this is negative. Similarly, here A is positive, but the denominator B is negative. So this result also, the total result is what? Negative. And here you have done A by B and finally said that this is negative. In any case, the result would be negative. Alright, what about fourth? True or false? Right? Okay. So very good. This is definitely wrong. This is not correct. You will say why? Because our mind does what? It, carelessly assumes a bracket is present whereas it is not. So it creates a bracket. You should not create that bracket. A plus B plus C, the result is divided by X, and here, if this bracket red one I have made just now, in the original question this was not there. So you say it's A plus B plus C divided by X, so what's the big deal? It's the same thing. No, it's not the same thing. Why did you create the bracket? This means A plus B to be added later on with C divided by X. Actually, according to BODMAS, when you will perform the operation of division first, then you are going to divide only the C with X, and then the result you are going to add to A and B. Okay, what can you say about the fifth one? True or false? Okay, so let's not try to confuse you any further. It is perfectly alright. Why it is alright? Because A plus B plus C upon X, it's a single fraction. We can easily divide it and split it into three different fractions. Right? Okay. X upon A plus B plus C is equal to X upon A plus X upon B plus X upon C. बताइए. Obviously false. ये सही हो ही नहीं सकता. Understood or not? क्योंकि ये denominator में, if the numbers are there, obviously we cannot distribute like this. But just in the previous question, अगर आप देखेंगे, that if we had a single denominator and there were several terms in the numerator, we could have distributed it into three different fractions. So this is foolishness, high quality nonsense, never to be done. Most of it would be nonsensical things. Okay, seventh one, true or false? True. Okay, perfectly alright, absolutely no problem. This is true. True because A plus B plus C divided by X, it's separately dividing the three numbers. This is perfectly alright. Okay, next one. Okay, this is true and this is also known as the distributive property of multiplication over addition. So if you have added it, that means addition, multiplication is distributive over addition. That means A plus B plus C, if you multiply the whole thing by X, the result is AX plus BX plus CX. Now let's just have a look at this. Of course, when you are distributing, it's the same result. Of course, if this is true, this has to be false. Here what you are trying to do, you are trying to separately add the X. Of course, this is nonsensical, does not make any sense. What do you say here? Yes, of course, this is also definitely wrong. What would be the correct thing in this case? It will be simply A, B, C, X. Because multiplication is not distributive over multiplication. मल्टीप्लिकेशन है तो कितना भी ब्रैकेट लगाइए, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं होने वाला. एडिशन है, सब्ट्रैक्शन है तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा. मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन आर नॉट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव. अंडरस्टूड दिस थिंग?